Welcome to Ready Player One. This is a Google Slides template designed to allow you to think about your strengths, achievements, and areas for improvement for the future. With emergency remote learning wrapping up this school year, this is the perfect time for you to celebrate what you've done and the perfect time for you to think about your future. So, whether you're in Google Classroom or you're on the landing page for this template, click on Use Template and let's get started. So a few things to start with. You can add as many or as few slides as you want, and this is where you're going to start to think about your past and your future. What have you accomplished this year? What are your goals? What do you want your future teachers to know about you? Something else that's important to think about is your private information and your target audience. Do not share any personal private information online, but think about if your audience is your homeroom teacher, what you might want to share with them ahead of time. All right, when you click on the zoom magnifying glass and you click zoom out, you'll notice on the right side that there are instructions. So you can also click on the magnifying glass and highlight all the areas so that you can see the instructions on the right side. Our intro card is the yellow card. The first thing we want to do is import our own image. So you can drag and drop that. You can go to insert and find one from your Google Drive. With a single click, you'll see the blue outline for resizing an image. By double clicking, you'll notice the black tabs on the inside. And by moving those, you can crop the image. So you'll notice now I'm grabbing the blue edges and that will resize the image, and the faded part will be what's cropped. So I can move that on the inside. To make rounded edges for my image, I'm going to click on the little arrow to the right of the crop icon, and then I'm going to make sure I select the rounded edges so that I can actually crop my image. Now you're ready to put your name and some intro card information. I've got a few writing prompts to get you started, but you can definitely customize this and make it your own. For superpowers, you want to think about what are your superpowers, your strengths, both in the classroom and beyond. So maybe you would highlight reading as one of your strengths in the classroom, and beyond the classroom, you might think about your ability to get along with everybody and work with everyone, collaborating. And that could be a strength and a superpower. In the next section, you want to think about what are some areas for growth, some things that you want to improve on moving forward in the summer and also next school year. The training spec page is a great place for you to share your perspective on your learning skills, something that we are all familiar with in our report cards. You can use a 4-star or a 5-star rating system, and you can also update the accommodations and modifications so that your new teachers will know what tools you need to succeed moving forward. If you drag the slider at the bottom, you'll notice a list of accommodations for your reference. The next slide is a bit of an updated for 21st century learning skills. So you can definitely do the same thing as the last slide, but maybe now you want to customize this by clicking on Explore, and you can search for different types of emojis or icons that you want to use instead of a star. The Highlights and Experience page is a great space for you to share your learning, your memories, and accomplishments. Think about this as a blank slate for you to upload images, writing, student sample works, or your videos and links from your previous work from Google Drive. Once you've updated your slides, you can keep this as a personal digital portfolio, or you can click Present and share this with your family or your future teachers. Here is what an example could look like. Enjoy.
Choose your character.